Fake it till you make it. In today's world, we spend a lot of time trying to fit in. Maybe it's your first week at a new school and you're anxious to make friends. Or you're interviewing for a job and you're not too sure if you're qualified. It's completely normal for people to experience these moments of self-doubt, or this feeling of faking it. After all, having to leave your comfort zone can be stressful. Some might tell you, just fake it till you make it. But what about the fake it part? Is it really good advice? People interpret this expression in a variety of ways. In a social setting, we might tell a few white lies in order to impress somebody. The phrase also pops up frequently in fields like tech and business, where you might have to play the part in order to succeed. Some individuals end up taking this concept a little too far. It seems like they'll do anything to make their dreams become a reality and risk losing sight of their values along the way. Every person must decide for themselves where they want to draw the line. At the end of the day, most of us have a moral compass that we tend to try and follow. It helps to guide our motivations as we face new experiences and challenges. That's why it's important to stay the course. Remember that a moment of anxiousness is just a blip in the timeline of your life. So when you start feeling like you're faking it, remind yourself that this is normal. Regardless of whether you fail or succeed, try to hold on to your values as you pursue each and every goal. That way you don't forget about the things that truly matter to you.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.